Django-Autocomplete-Light simple usage. I am trying to understand how to use Django-Autocomplete-Light for an existing project. This seems like a good autocomplete solution for Django, for which I am already using normal model choice fields. So, let's say that I have a model named MyModel that has an ID and a name. What I'd like to know is the simplest possible way of creating a form widget that would provide me the same functionality with. So I'd be able to add that widget to any form I wanted in order to select instances of MyModel without using select.t. What are the required steps to have that? I've already added autocomplete_light to installed_apps and to urls.py and before. However, I am getting confused with what to do next. Sad face. Please don't point me in the documentation, I've already read it thoroughly.
Select widget is default for model choice field. This form field does not specify a widget, so the select widget should be used by default with. This is why you see a select field instead of an autocomplete. Did you read Django docs about using widgets? Use autocomplete_light.choice widget instead. All you have to do is specify the widget. If you don't know what is the name of the autocomplete, log in as staff and open HTTP column. Ensure that you have query properly loaded and that autocomplete-light static files are loaded too. Alternatives. FTR, another way is possible, using autocomplete_light.modelform_factory using shortcuts like autocomplete_light.modelform_factory or autocomplete_light.get_widgets_dict. API docs are passable, but it does not big reading the source code. All in all, I think the easiest for you is using the get_widgets_dict shortcut if you are using a model form. Hidden docs. You might not have found the cookbook because it is a work in progress in the docs_rewrite branch, but the second part of high-level basics provides several examples of using the widget. I know that the docs have a problem, hence the docs_rewrite branch. Right now I'm focusing on improving mobile support.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.